Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss briefly installing packages from the central PyPy repository by using pip. So the repos, the packages in Python are actually hosted on pypy.python.org. As you can see, there are currently over 100,000 packages available. Generally, the way that you would look for packages is by Googling for them. So you might say Python package for pretty deer. And you'll see that there's a package called pdir, which is extremely useful. So let's take a look at installing this now. I would say pip install pdir2 user. And the ---- user actually installs that package inside your home directory. In OS X, this would be inside library, Python 2.7, or whichever Python version you're actually using. Also worth noting, if you're installing packages for Python 3, then you would use pip3, 2.7, and then lib or bin. Python site packages, and this is where your packages would go. As you can see, pdir is in there. So now that pdir is installed, let's take a look at it. I'll kick off the Python shell, import pdir2, install pdir, and let's create a list, a equals 1, 2, 3, and normally you could just call dir on an object in Python to see what methods you have in there, what attributes, etc. But it's kind of hard to read and it's kind of messy as well. So let's use our newly installed package, pdir a, and as you can see, this looks a lot cleaner. We can actually see what everything is. We can see the arithmetic functions here. We can see how to access attributes, class customization, a whole bunch of things really. So extremely useful. And that about covers it. Also worth noting, if you install packages without the user flag, they'll actually get installed inside. In this case, Python has noticed that pdir2 is already installed in our home directory, so it won't try and install it globally. Otherwise, if it did, it would install it inside /library Python 2.7 site packages. So that's a slight differentiation. I personally like to keep my packages inside my home directory because, for example, it makes it very easy just removing them, or yes, it's kind of less permanent. Generally, I tend to install packages centrally when I know I'll be using them a lot. So that's it. That covers installing packages using pip, and I'll see you in a next video. Thanks for your attention. Bye-bye.